about this test 11 solutions. So see the first question related to series. It's alternate numbers, clearly we can understand. So 100, 80, 60, next must be 40. Go with alternate number, simple, right? So yeah, 100, 80, 60, 40. Whereas this is 30 plus 30 series. Above one is plus, minus 20 series, 20 decreasing. Now see the second question related to seating arrangement. 7 friends are sitting in a circle. It's not possible to arrange them with equal distance. 360 degrees is not divided by 7. So we are just randomly placing 7 places. Fine. V is second to the left of S. Wherever S is there, let's take S. So all are facing towards center, that we can consider. Okay. V is second to the left of S. So V will be here. And means this is related to V only. V is neighbor of T and U. Whether T here, U here, we have a doubt. Mention S is not neighbor of R or T, so T cannot come here, T must be here. Next one, S is not neighbor of T, so T will be here, U will be here. And P is neighbor of Q and R, so and they clearly mention S is not neighbor of R cannot come here, R must be here, and Q must be here. This is the entire arrangement. Now what is finally, which of the following is correct? Q is between P and S is correct. S is not exactly between U and P, between, but there is a two people available, not only one person. T is immediate right of V, no left of V. U is immediate left of V, no U is immediate right of V. So only one thing correct is option 1. Right. Now say this, how many 6 are there in such a way that they are not followed by even number, not preceded by odd number. 6 before you don't want, preceded means before, you don't want odd number, means you want even number before 6. Now, neither followed by even number. You don't want even number to be followed, means you want odd number. So even number, 6 and odd number we require. 6 before even number, 6 before even number, 6 before even number. No, here we have one such case, 6 before even number followed by odd number. So only one possibility. How many 6s are like that? So 6 before 3, base 6 before 7, no. 6 before 1, no. Here 6 before 3, no. This is the only 6 which is satisfying that. Answer is 1. Now let us see about this next question related to blood relation. Here C and D relationship we need to obtain. What is the relation between C and D? F mother has 2 children. F mother is having 2 children, a girl and a boy. F is girl or boy, we don't know. There are 2 children, fine. F is C's only brother. Now we can understand F is male, C is female. F and C are the children's, okay, brother and sisters. Next they mention D is daughter-in-law of F mother. F mother daughter-in-law means son wife. So F wife is D. Now relation between C and D, C is sister-in-law of D is correct. C is sister-in-law of D is correct because brother wife. D, sorry, husband sister, spouse sister. D spouse sister, brother wife also sister-in-law, but here it's like spouse sister. Your wife or husband, sister is sister-in-law, brother is brother-in-law, right? So here D husband sister, so sister-in-law, option D is correct. Now let's see about this fifth question. We have 30 people. This guy K is 12th from right end, then obviously 19th from left end, then only 12 plus 19 minus 1, 30 will satisfy. Total 30 people we have to add, then do minus 1 also, right? Now see this number series related question, second question related to number series in this paper. So we requested you people to know cubes from 1 to 20, squares from 1 to 40 or 1 to 30 at least. So these are cubes. 7 cube, 9 cube, 11 cube, 13 cube is 2197. Option C. Now mathematical operations related question. We have to change minus as division, division as multiplication, plus as subtraction, multiplication as addition. Okay, now we have to evaluate this. Right, so 245 divided by 35 into 3. You can do like this also, this entire expression. First perform division. If you do 7 times, okay, it will get cancelled. 7 into 3 is 21. 21 minus 14 is 7. 7 plus 36, we will get it as 43. Option D is correct here. 43 is the correct answer. Next one, units place is decreased by 2, tens place is increased by decreased by 1, in tens place is increased by 2. Hundreds place decreased by 1, thousands place increased by 2. Now this is the number, original number. Units place means rightmost one. So from there we have to keep going. This is decreased by 1. This is increased by 2. Right, then decrease by 1, increase by 2. Decrease by 1, increase this by 2. Decrease by 1, increase this by 2. 2, 2. So this will be 7, not 8. This will be 7. Increase by 2. Okay. Now, how many numbers are appearing twice? 7 is appearing twice. 8 is appearing twice. There are two numbers which is appearing twice. After doing this rearrangement, okay, after changing all those as per the given thing, okay, decrease by 1, increase by 2, again decrease by 1, then increase by 2. If we keep doing and complete the entire task, then two numbers 7 and 8 are appearing twice. Now coding and decoding, fan is given as 21. So we know F is 6, A is 1, N is 14, adding 21. So it's a direct one. Now come, what can do with come is 3 plus 15 plus 13 plus 5. This is 20 and 16, which is 36. So C is the correct option. Now one more question related to mathematical operations. So A is subtraction, B is division they given, C is multiplication, D is addition. So this can be written as 15 divided by 75 into 90. Divide by 5, 90 divided by 5 is nothing but 18. So plus 18 minus 18 will get cancelled. The result is simply 23. Option C will come. So let's see about this 11th question, cause and effect. The price of peanuts has been increased. Peanut based chocolates have been become expensive. Yes, as peanuts price is increased, because of that the chocolates which is based on peanuts will be increased. So because of first one, the effect is the peanut based chocolates is increasing. So first one is the cause, second one is the effect. Sometimes both may be effects, sometimes both may be causes, but here this question, first one is the cause, second one is the effect. Now one more mathematical operation question here. So too many in this, right? Fine, okay. See, I again want to remind you people, don't fix that. So this topics we need one question, two questions from so on so topics. Not like that. There are few pay sets where majority of the questions are from one or two topics only. That's also possible, as they're shuffling the questions okay here and there. For few students, you may got from two or three topics only majority of the questions. So don't fix in your mind like that. And I already alerted you people. Okay, in mathematics, in reasoning, they may ask quant. In quant, they may ask reasoning. So first two sections are related to quant and reasoning. Okay, here and there they may swap also. Right. Now here, what should be interchanged so that the result should be 22? Yeah, 48 divided by 12. Fine. So 4. 36 plus 28 minus 42. Fine. So I think you can do multiplication division change. 48 multiplied by 12 divided by 16 plus as division, plus and subtraction, there is no change, only multiplication as division, division as multiplication. Then what will happen? This can be written as 48 into 12 divided by 16. which is nothing but 36. 36 plus 28 is 64. 64 minus 42 is 22. B is correct, right? Whereas 13th one, they give an argument. It's actually like a problem. There is an issue. Action should minimize the issue. Here the issue or argument is numerous regions in the country, different places in the country are facing a critical water shortage and a decline in water table level. So water levels are decreasing and there is a critical water shortage is there. What measures should be implemented to tackle this water crisis? This is the statements. There is an issue. Okay, water shortage is there, water levels also decreasing. Now what is action to be taken? Okay, we have to minimize the wastage and okay, and the water supply authority should promptly arrange the delivery for drinking water to them, right? So yeah, these both actions are correct only. Supply authority is promptly arranging deliver water to the areas, and here yeah, we have to minimize the water wastage. Both actions are correct, right? So fine. Now let's see about 14th. Again, series related question. Alphanumeric series. If you just see the alternate 4, 6, 8, that's one series. Okay. Other one is 10, 7, D, F, H. This is plus 2, that's one series. D value 4 all. Those are respected values, right? A value 9 wrong, D value 4 okay, J value 9 is wrong, D value is 4, J value is 10, F value 6. It's only about letter. DFH, that's one track. Other track is JG, here minus 3. If I do again minus 3, it should be D. D4 is correct. Right, this is 10, 7, 4. Here 4, 6, 8. This is plus 2 track. This is minus 3 track. Decreased by minus 3. This is adding 2. Right, now let's see about the next one. Here again, statements are given. Which is the cause, which is the effect they are asking. Today we are living in the era of economic globalization. Okay. The world is switching to electric cars. These two are not linked. Electric cars we are switching because of environment, okay, to make sure environment and maybe okay your financial issues. Okay, maybe petrol cost is more, electric will be a bit less. Daily depends on how car you are using daily or weekly or monthly you are using depends on that. Okay, so it's a different. Both are different issues. Okay, both are effects but of different causes. It's not same cause. This is where in the era of economic globalization, and this is world is switching to electric cars. Okay, both are effects of independent causes, not same cause also. Right. So let's see about next one. Series question related to mathematical ability. Elections related question. So Ricky got 55% of the votes which are valid. So among valid, he got 55. See, generally total votes among that poll, not poll. Here, no discussion regarding poll, not poll. So we have to say total votes valid and invalid. Total votes are 7,500 and you have 20% invalid. 10% is 750. 20% means 1,500. 1,500 are invalid. So valid are nothing but equal to 6,000. Valid votes are 6,000 votes. Invalid is 1,500. Okay. Now among valid, Ricky got 55%. The opponent will get 45%, right? Opponent is getting 45%. So you have to calculate 45% of 6,000. Simple, for 6,000, 50% is 3,000. 50% means half, right? 5% is 300. Subtracting these two, we got 45%, which is 2,700. Divisible by 3 rule is sum of digits must be divided by 3. 4 plus 5 is 9 divided by 3. 3 is divided by 9. So Z must be equal to 2. Z must be equal to 2. Then only the sum is, this entire number is divisible by 3. Sum of digits, which is 3 plus, yeah, I'm directly cancelling. 4 plus 5 is 9. It can be divided by 3. I'm removing directly. Or sum of you can do like this. 16 plus z. Okay, if you want to make this as divisible by 3, I have to take z value 2 as per the options. Z can be 5 also. Z can be 2, Z can be 5, Z can be 8. But among options, they given only 2. Z is a digit, don't go for 11 and all. Don't go for negative value, -1, don't say that. Z is in 100th place. Now let's see about the pie chart related question. So in a, okay, different company manufactures in a country in a particular year is given. In the next year, the Toyota doubles in the next year, consecutive year, and all other manufacturers are stagnant means constant, not changed, fixed. So remaining all are fixed. Toyota only double. Now, what is the Toyota share in the next year? Next year, Toyota share is how much is the question. Let's say this is percentage total are 100. Total 100. Total I am taking, let's say 100. Maruti is 11, Hyundai 34, Tata 16, Toyota 33, Mahindra 2, others are 4. Now add this, you can see this is 50, this is 35 and 15, yeah, you got. Now Toyota is doubled next year. This is current year, next year Toyota is doubled, means 66. Now remaining all are same, means total will be 100 plus 33. This extra 33 will come, no? So that is 133. Now what is the Toyota percentage is? Okay, Toyota out of total, Toyota percentage is 66 divided by 133 into 100. It's close to 50% approximately, because divided by 2 is 132. I agree, it's approximately 50. Okay, answer should be slightly less than 50. Okay, nearest integer 50 is what we can go. 50. 50% is the approximate, not exactly, slightly less than 50 will come. Okay, divided by 132 means okay, but it's not 132, it's 133. Now data sufficiency, this type of questions we already discussed in every test paper it seems. Nikhil age, your date of birth year we need to know. Here Nikhil is 20 years less than father, one alone not possible. Second one, it's only about Nikhil sister and Nikhil father, two alone not possible. But put together Nikhil, Nikhil sister 1995, date of birth year is 25 years younger to his father. So I can say Nikhil father will be 1970 and Nikhil is 20 years younger. So Nikhil will be 1990. Put together we can answer with different names. Instead of Nikhil, they'll give some other name. Same question, I think we already discussed, pretty much similar to this. The frequency of 5 in observation. So 5 came how many times? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 came 5 times only. Now see the sixth question. Don't see about the length of the question. Length is bigger, okay, but question approach is very simple. So a bakery shop have X number of croissants each month from August to November. So it is baking X number of cakes, let us say, each month from August to November every month. So August X, they generate X. Okay, September X, October X, November X. So totally how many cakes are there is 4X are available. Okay. Now she did not pay extra for storage for the months August through November. From August to November to store this bakes or cakes, they're not paying any extra, but however, she paid 0.10 per each one from December to July for the unsold items. For unsold items, okay, she is paying 0.10 per each cake, right? And she is selling x by 2 from each month from December to July. From December to July, it's almost 1 year. August to July means 1 year complete. This first 4 months prepared. Now sales is going on. December, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July. Right. Now, every month beginning, how many are sold? You can clearly observe she sell x by 2 means 0.5 is sold. So now 4x cakes are available or croissants are available. Now you sold half. So 3.5x are available in December. Here half sold in January 3x. February half sold 2.5. Then 2. Here 1.5. Then 1. Right? Okay, then 0.5 that is also sold. It becomes 0 by July. Right. Now, what is there? So this is what unsold. This is what the list of unsold. Out of 4x, 0.5 sold, unsold is this much. In January, unsold 0.5 sold, unsold is this much. Now, for unsold, we are charging 0.1. First of all, how much is unsold? Unsold is totally 6.5, 9, 11, 12.5, 13.5, 14x. And we know the charges is 0.1. So 14x into 0.1 is nothing but 1.4x. So option D, 1.4x. Right? So you just observe, have a focus in the question what they given. So first 4 months they are preparing, August to December preparation, November preparation happened. Then they are selling x by 2, x by 2. Right. Now permutation combination, excellent question. Billy is arranging party favors for the guest attending her marriage anniversary next week. She has arranged 6 hand-woven boxes and numbered them from 1 to 6. Each box is filled with either chocolates or candles in such a way that at least one of the box contains candle. So it's like, okay, 6 boxes, it can be candle or chocolates. Candle Cl or chocolate Ch. Right, but at least one candle is available out of those 6 boxes. Right. Now see how many ways you can do this arrangement is, we have 6 boxes. I can go for 1 candle, I can go for 2 candles, I can go for 3 candles, I can go for 4 candles, I can go for 5 candles, I can go for 6 candles. So if all boxes are 6 candles, then it's only one way to do that. Only one way. All are candles. 6 boxes are there. All 6 boxes are candle means it's only one way. Right. Now, sir, I have one candle. One candle, how many ways is? See, first one can be candle. Remaining are empty. See, I have 6 boxes among that. Let's very simple logic is this. We have 6 boxes. Among that one is candle means 6C1. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here. 6C1. This is 6C2. Among 6 boxes, 2 must be candle. Among 6 boxes, 3 must be candle. Among 6 boxes, 4. Among 6 boxes, 5. Among 6 boxes, 6. That's what nothing but 1. 66 is nothing but 1. So 61 is 6. 62 is 6 into 5 divided by 2. One moment. Sorry. It's not 62 also. Wait. They should be consecutive. They mention anything? Wait. Yeah, she has number attending her marriage in such a way that at least one of the boxes contains a candle. Yeah, consecutively mentioned. Now we cannot go in that way. See, candles are consecutively numbered. Consecutively numbered means we cannot go for 62 likewise. The first one 61 is okay. That's only one box. But candles are consecutively numbered. Wait. Now we have an excellent input here. We cannot go for 62. consecutively numbered they given. 61, first one 6, okay, because it can be, it's only one box, right? It can be first one, or it can be second, or it can be third. Okay, 6 chances is there, but this one, 2 should be same, right? So it can be CC, blank, blank, blank. I'm talking only about this one. Or it can be CC, consecutively required. Or it can be CC, or it can be CC, or it can be CC at the end. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances. 2 candles must be consecutive. Right. This is already one way now. Now what about 3C1, sir? 3C1 will give 4. How, sir? CCC, these 3 blanks. Blank CCC, 2 blanks. 2 blanks CC, 1 blank. 3 blanks, all 3 C's. So you can observe that's 4 ways, then 3 ways, then 2 ways, then 1 way, like that. Totally 21 is the answer. Sum of natural numbers from 1 to 6, n into n plus 1 divided by 2, 6 into 7 divided by 2, which is 21. Now, eighth question, selling the price of a book, including the sales tax. This is having sales tax as well. 10% is sales tax, okay. See, selling price for that sales tax is there. So 956.34 is nothing but selling price into 110%. What the selling price is, there is a 10% profit. I can say 15% profit, 115% of cost price. So you have to calculate cost price here. This is tax, sales tax. So what are the amounts? See, when you go for gold shop, okay, you purchase some gold, okay, that's cost around 10,000. Then for that they'll add, okay, 3% GST, state, central, likewise. So this is what. First, what is the selling amount of that product? Then for that they're adding the tax, right? Now dividing this 956.34 with 110 and 115 and doing all that will give 756. We'll get 756. So, sir, calculations, please. Okay, fine. So what you can do? 956.34, 115 divided by 100. Here 110 divided by 100. This 0 cancel. This 100, let it be. Let's send this 100 to that side. So then CP will be equal to 95,634. Right. And this is 5 2 times, 523 times. Into 2 divided by 23 into 11. Right, now let's divide with 11. 11 8 times 88, still 76 is there. Means 6 times 66, 103 will be there. 9 times 99, 44 will be there. 4 will come. Next, dividing with 23. 23, 3 times 69, 4 times is 92. So 3 times 69. Right, we have 179 available now. 179. So 23, 8 times 179 here, 23 times will cross more, so 23 7 times. So 23 7 times we can see 161, 161. Right, so we have already 179, we have 184, that's nothing but 8 times. So 378 into 2 is 756, exactly you can answer. Now series 9th question related to time and distance. A train 90 km per hour crosses a bridge in 36 seconds. So from this, length of the train plus length of the bridge. Speed is 90 km per hour. Speed is kilometer per hour. We have to convert into meter per second. Timing is this. Distance is speed into time. When train is crossing a bridge length is considered, and you have to see 25 into 36, which is 900. Okay, that is train length plus bridge length. Now crossing the same bridge, which is on the train, which is 100 meter shortage, then length of the train plus length of the bridge will be 800 only. This is second one because 100 meters shortage. Now what is the time taken is 800 divided by speed 45 kilometer per hour into 5 divided by 18. 9 2 times, 9 5 times, 5 into 5 25. So 25 we have 32 times, and these two will join there. 64 seconds is the answer. I don't know what is the length of the train, what is the length of the bridge, but still answer is completed. Compared to previous, this distance is now 100 meters shortage. Now, what is the speed of boat in still waters? Speed of boat. Okay, for that first one, two alone not possible because you only know downstream. Two alone not possible. One alone, the time taken by the boat to travel 240 km upstream is same as time taken by the boat to complete 30 km downstream. So here we can see speed of upstream and speed of downstream. Here timing is same, speed is directly proportional to distance. 20 and 30, 2 is to 3, okay. But fine, what is the speed of downstream? We don't know. Then if you know both, speed of both is speed of upstream plus speed of downstream divided by 2. If you know downstream, then upstream can be obtained. So one alone not possible, two alone not possible, but put together both statements together. Statement 2 gives the idea speed of downstream is 6 kilometer per hour. When downstream is 6, upstream will be 4. Then adding those to divide by 2, 5 kilometer per hour is nothing but speed of boat. You have both statements put together is sufficient to answer, not alone. Now see this puzzles related section 5. If you focus on this carefully, A, B, C, D is in such a way that B is A minus 2, C is nothing but B plus 8, D is nothing but C plus 10. You can have a look clearly. You can see minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 everywhere. Then plus 8, next is plus 8, plus 8. So x is nothing but 3 plus 8, 11. X is 11, two options are available. What about y, sir? Y as mentioned just now, it should be, okay, C plus 10. Y should be 15 plus 10, which is 25. Option C is correct. Whereas this one, if you convert into numbers, 1, 7, 13, you can see plus 6 plus 6. Here this is 4, 10, 16. This is also plus 6 plus 6. Now K is nothing but 11. 11 and 17 is plus 6. Again plus 6 means 23, which is W. Whereas here, a bit similar question is we already discussed in previous set. 8 plus 7 plus 3, 18. 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10. 18 minus 10 is nothing but 8. Here 6 plus 3 plus 4, 13. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. 13 minus 8 is nothing but equal to 5. Option C is correct here. Whereas fourth question, A, B, C. Focus on this. Let's see in row wise A, B, C. B is nothing but A divided by C into 5. 42 divided by 6 multiplied by 5 is 35. 91 divided by 13 into 5 is 35. 120 divided by 15 into 5 is 40. So middle number is like that. So option A is correct. Okay.